In this lecture, we are going to get hands-on with Google BigQuery. BigQuery is the cloud data warehouse from Google. It is part of Google Cloud Platform, and it is designed for analytics at scale. With BigQuery, you can run SQL queries on massive datasets in seconds. Companies use it to analyze customer behavior, track operations, and power dashboards with real-time data. For this course, we will be using BigQuery because it is fast, it is reliable, and it lets us work with real datasets without having to manage servers or infrastructure. Everything runs in the cloud. The good news is that you do not need to pay anything to follow along. Google Cloud provides a free tier for BigQuery. You can either create your own free project or use your company project if you already have access. All you need is a Google account to get started. Here is the step-by-step process. First, go to console.cloud.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Second, create a new project. You can give it any name you want. For example, SQL course or test project. Third, make sure BigQuery is enabled. You can do this by searching for BigQuery in the search bar at the top and clicking on BigQuery. If it is not yet enabled, it will prompt you to enable the API. Once you are in BigQuery, you will see the BigQuery console. This is where you write queries, run them, and explore tables. On the left side, you will see your project name. Under that, you will be able to add datasets and tables. Now, let us connect the dataset we will use throughout this course. Click Add Data on the left. Choose Public Datasets. In the search bar, type The Look. You will see the Look e-commerce dataset published by Google. Click View Dataset. Once it opens, click the star icon so that it is saved to your project for easy access. The Look dataset contains real e-commerce style data, including customers, products, orders, and transactions. It is perfect for practicing SQL in a real-world setting. Now, here is the important step. When you create your Google Cloud project, make sure the location is set to US. The Look dataset is hosted on US servers, and by setting your project location to US from the start, you will be able to query it directly without having to create snapshots or copy tables. That is all you need to get set up. In the next lecture, we will start exploring tables inside BigQuery and write our first queries.